Welcome to Molu's vlog. I'm today in Stanley. Stanley is the capital of Falkland Islands. Okay, so first things first. I got out of the ship. We had to use a tender boat, which was basically like 30 minutes, more or less, from the ship to the port. This is the city. It's quite small actually. I'm just near to the bay. It looks very rustic. Small town, but I really like it. I mean, I don't know if I'm excited that I'm here. I don't know if I'm excited for the city. I don't know. It's a mix of emotions, of feelings. But I will just walk around and discover the city. So, let's see. Today we find ourselves in the remote and unspoiled beauty of the Falkland Islands. Located in the South Atlantic Ocean, these islands are a paradise of breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and a unique blend of British and South American culture. We hopped on a local bus to see one of the nature's most charming performers in their natural habitat, the delightful penguins. Get ready for cuteness overload. Of course, we can't miss exploring the quiet and rustic town life, its historical sites, local cuisine, and warm, hearty folks who call this island home. So far, one of the most unique adventures I've experienced. Okay, I found the museum. I was told that there was a museum here, which I should have definitely visited, and I found it not so far from the port. I think I'm gonna go and check it out. Very British. I just came out of the museum. They do give you a map for you to get oriented with all the main points. It was a nice experience. My favorite was the part with the skeletons. They had a collection of skeletons. It was very interesting to me, as well as a getaway to Antarctica. So basically it was like a travel in time in 1950s in Antarctica. It was quite interesting. One of the main reasons that our guests come on board is for the Falklands, especially Stanley. Now, together with my team, the people that I work with, they're in front of me, by the way. So no, I'm not alone. We came to see the penguins, and it's one of the must-do while in Stanley. So we took the bus as soon as we went to the pier, and the bus was like maybe less than 20 minutes. He dropped us off near to the beach, and now we have to walk for like at least 30 to 40 minutes just to go and see the penguins. It's worth doing it. The view, it's amazing. Like, look all around me. Like, this view is just incredible. We saw some ducks earlier. I think they're ducks, like in the water or play for. Anyway, if they're not ducks, I'm going to find out what they are, and I'm just going to leave it down here, the name. All the small creatures in the water, but I believe they're ducks. So everybody saw ahead of me because my camera broke down, and it took me a while to restart it, and now we're on the way. I know it looks very peaceful, but one thing you have to keep in mind while doing this path is that there is quicksand. So you have to make sure you read all the signages. Do not get out of the track. That's something very important, because if you get stuck there, yeah, everybody's going to be like, bye-bye. No, I'm just joking, but yeah, you have to be careful of the quicksand around here. So, very important. Do not get out of the track. Stay in the right lane. I got the first glimpse of the penguins, And there at the top, I hope my camera is good enough so you could also enjoy the view that I'm enjoying right now. Look, over there on top. Okay, I am going closer, so stay with me. I feel like in National Geographic. There's a group of penguins right in front of me. I cannot believe it. They're super cute. They're adorable. Okay. Oh, I really wish I could zoom from this camera so you guys could have a perfect view. Guys, I found me. Look. That penguin right over there, lying face down and sleeping, that's me. I found myself. But look at them, look how adorable. Oh my god. I just can't help to wonder, like, are they scared? What are they feeling? Oh my god, they're so cute. Look, look, look. Okay, and there is more on this area, and you can see people over there on top getting good views for pictures or videos. Oh my god. Yeah, I truly feel like in National Geographic. There's 2 penguins coming in front of me. Look at this! Come here! And the 2 little penguins, they made it back home. You see this red line behind me? Well, on the other side of this rope, that's their home, that's their territory. Actually, this whole environment is, we're just, I don't know what we're doing here. As much as we love to see them, you know, the saddest part is that if you get too near a penguin, they will get your aroma, and that's not good for them because they are kick them out of the colony. That's the best word I can find right now. And yeah, they will leave them alone and they will die, and that's very sad. So whenever you are near any animal, actually not only penguins, like, please don't touch them, please try to stay away, because when they live in big groups like this, yeah, chances are that they are going to get kicked out because they are going to get the aroma that the perfume that you're wearing is going in their furs and everything. So yeah, don't touch them, please. Just admire them from far away. This beach is full of shells. And I already have 2 in my bags, but I'm just waiting to go to a restaurant so I can wash them and put them in my place where I keep all my souvenirs. Just a reminder of Stanley. And can you see why, like, this view is so amazing? You see all this green field, and then suddenly you see white sand and the beach is there. I promise you, my first impression when I was in the bus, I was like, is it snowing? Because, you know, it's already cold outside. And I was like, oh my god, I cannot believe it's a white sand beach here in Stanley. So yeah, this cruise, South American cruise, it's a must do at least once in a lifetime. Just have to wipe them.
Supermarket you wanna go to?
Yeah, that's the sand from the beach. We found a place where we could sort of like eat. The only thing they have is fish and chips, so I'm just okay with it. I'm just gonna grab it to go and eat and walk around the city. It's quite pricey here. Leslie and I, my friend, she's inside waiting for our fish and chips. We made 2 orders, so for 2 orders it was $32. That's $16 each, so it's quite pricey. You can see people are mostly drinking here. Nobody is quite eating. And that's our fish and chips. Leslie, cheers. Oh, cheers. That's Leslie, she's from Chile. Hi. And that's our meal for today. Fish and chips. And always the beans not missing right over here.
For some color.
For some color. Yeah. Guys, never forget to come in a gift shop. I got a penguin, and penguins are so meaningful. Actually, I was just telling that to Leslie. You know that, fun facts, when penguins, when they mate for life. So now you don't have to say anymore I love you to your partners. You can say I penguin you, and I think that's very adorable. So to my husband, who is across the other side of the world, I just want to say him I penguin you. Leslie and I, we just grabbed a coffee and we are on our way to the ship. Something very important, when you go to coffee shops here or any restaurants, forget about Wi-Fi. There is no Wi-Fi anywhere unless you want to grab these cards. They look like SIM cards, and you purchase them for £5 or $7 or $8, something like that, and you can get access to Wi-Fi. But free Wi-Fi, no. Hi. Hi.
Look, you can make it from here. Wow, look nice.
Oh. We are in top of the our tender boat. I think from here you can have the best view of the city. You can see all the colorful houses, the rustic looking houses. Look how nice.